This is Mamutasan Mehraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this problem, this is our isometric view and all the dimensions are given in this view. So first of all, we will going to draw from the top plane. In the top plane, I will draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 40 by 40 unit. Okay, then I will extrude boss it to this upper side, and the extrude boss will be 40 unit also. Then we have a rectangular cut in this here. Okay, and for this rectangular cut we can see this dimension is 20 unit, and here the vertical dimension is 40 minus 20, so this is also a 20 unit distance. Okay, then I will close this rectangle, then I will extrude cut along this side. After that we can see we have some triangular cut. We will draw an inclined line, and from this point to this point the distance is 10 unit. Then I will close the triangle, then extrude cut in this way, and similarly we have the same triangle in this other side also. So first of all, I am going to select the top plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the center rectangle from here, and I am placing this center rectangle to the origin. Now dimension it to 40 by 40 unit. Okay, it's a square. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 40 unit. Okay, we're going to extrude boss it to 40 unit. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now it's time for our 20 by 20 square cut. Okay, for that you can select this face, or you can select the right plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now I'm going to select the corner rectangle. Okay, so I'm selecting the corner rectangle from here and placing the corner rectangle here, and it has a dimension of 20 by 20 unit. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Okay, so we're going to extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. Then selecting this face, now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now we have to draw our rectangle. For that we have an inclined line, so we are drawing our inclined line here. Okay, after that I am selecting the expand dimension tool, and from this point to this line the distance is 10 unit, so dimension it to 10 unit. Now isometric. Okay, now select the line tool, and now close the shape. So we are going to closing the shape. Okay, so similarly we have same shape here. For that I am selecting the center line and placing this center line to here and drawing a center line. Now select the mirror entities. Okay, so I'm selecting the mirror entities, and in this to be mirror, I want to mirror this rectangle and want to mirror about this center line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to through all both. Okay, now press OK. So this extrude cut portion has been done. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.